Welcome to this video on SAP Production Planning training in New York. We will explore a strategic blueprint for advancing your career, focusing on industry trends, the core role of SAP PP, and how you can position yourself for success in this high-demand market. The manufacturing industry is undergoing a paradigm shift. We are moving away from isolated traditional operations toward integrated systems using SAP S/4HANA. This transition creates a significant talent gap for professionals who can bridge physical manufacturing processes with modern digital strategy. SAP Production Planning, or PP, acts as the digital nervous system for manufacturing. It translates complex business strategies into physical execution. Its core capabilities include precise planning and scheduling, material requirement management, orchestration of shop floor activities, and effective capacity utilization control. At the core of the SAP enterprise, the PP module integrates seamlessly with other key areas. It connects with materials management, sales and distribution, quality management, finance, and plant maintenance. This integration reduces production costs and ensures highly efficient manufacturing workflows across the entire organization. New York is a premier hub for business and technology, offering a concentrated ecosystem of enterprises that are actively recruiting SAP S/4HANA professionals. From leading manufacturing and pharmaceutical companies to top-tier consulting firms, the demand for specialized talent is high. Who should make the transition into this field? With the right training, professionals such as mechanical and production engineers, supply chain executives, manufacturing professionals, and ambitious graduates can leverage their domain knowledge to build a high-value career in the SAP ecosystem. The production planning lifecycle starts with building a solid architectural foundation. Phase 1 focuses on the master data, including material masters and bills of materials. Phase 2 covers strategic planning activities, such as demand management and material requirements planning, or MRP. Modernization means commanding S/4HANA. Our curriculum moves beyond legacy theory to place you at the intersection of modern manufacturing and enterprise software. You will master the latest SAP S/4HANA production planning tools and navigate SAP Fiori applications for real-time, role-based decision-making. By transitioning from localized departmental tasks to enterprise-level architecture, you unlock global mobility. This trajectory shift takes you from standard end-user roles to specialized positions like functional consultant, production planning analyst, or manufacturing process consultant, securing long-term professional growth. When evaluating training providers, look for the premium difference. Superior Training offers live, hands-on server access, current S/4HANA curricula based on real business cases, instructors who are experienced SAP-certified consultants, and flexible formats that provide ongoing mentor support. Our pipeline takes you from theory to placement in 4 steps: foundational mastery, practical application on real-world projects, market readiness through resume prep and mock interviews, and finally, the dedicated support needed to land a role with a leading employer. In summary, the New York SAP Career Flywheel creates a self-sustaining ecosystem. By combining high industry demand, elite S/4HANA skills, and dedicated placement infrastructure, this program ensures you have the competitive advantage needed for long-term career stability and advancement.